Hello, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. I'm here with another project playback video for you. Today's video is the Twisted Treat Pouch. This is perfect for last minute Valentine treats or making up little birthday party favors. You're going to need a piece of designer paper that's 4.5 inches by 6 inches and some tear and tape to put it together. In this video, I'll be using older supplies to show you how to make exactly the same project. So I hope that you'll use whatever you have at home to give this project a try. Make sure to share your Twisted Treat Pouches in Julie's Stamping Spot Share and Connect group on Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to use a piece of the designer paper to make a little treat pouch. So this is a project that I've been making for years and years and years, and I feel like it's been just a little while since I've done it. So I wanted to share it with you again, and I wanted to show off this really pretty poinsettia designer paper. So we're going to take this, it's 6 by 6, but we're actually going to cut it down. I was trying to remember the right size, and really I think you could do this with any size, but I want to cut this down. I'm going to go 4.5. So I'm just going to cut like an 1.5 inches off. I'll save that for another card. And this is the piece that we're going to use for our project today. I love tear and tape. This is a really great adhesive for 3D projects. So tear and tape is my go-to super strength adhesive, and I love it because it's really easy to use. You can just tear it right off. I like to say that it's terrible tape. It's the best terrible tape I've ever had. Okay. I'm going to crack myself up. All right, so we're going to use the tear tape on the back of, I'm trying to remember how we do this now. Okay, so we're going to do the tear and tape along one short side. Oh, I got a little, put that. We're going to do the tear and tape along one short side of the back of the designer paper and both long sides. So this is a really great project for the tear and tape because you need a lot of it. Now, could you use other adhesive? Yes. You could use like the new Seal Plus would work. I just find tear and tape to be super easy to use, and I love that you don't need scissors, that you can just tear it right off. Okay, so 3 sides, 2 long sides, 1 short side, and now we're going to put together our little pouch. Now I'm going to just do, oh, I feel like I need to do it all. Okay. Hopefully that wasn't a mistake. Okay, so we're going to take, and first the short side, we're going to roll it into a tube. You know what would have been handy to do before I took the adhesive off? I'll show you when I'm done. You're going to roll it into a tube and adhere the ends, the short end to the other, so it overlaps there. Now let me show you really quick, now that I've got my hands out of it. This is what would have been really handy to do before you take your adhesive off, is to do like a little roll, like what do you call this? Like I'm breaking down the fibers a little bit. So just sort of rolling it in your fingers, just sort of burnishing, I guess, a little bit to make it easier, and that will make it want to roll and want to fold a little bit better. But if you don't do that, then it's really stiff and hard to work with. So move it like that with your fingers and loosen up that paper a little bit so that it wants to go the direction that you want it to go. Okay, so we did that with one. We folded one end over to the other. Now I already took the adhesive liner off, and that's why I did it, because I thought it might be hard to do it while it was a circle. So I'm going to take one end and I'm going to pinch it closed, and then just push down on that adhesive. Okay, so now we've got one end sealed, and this is where you're going to want to put in your gift or your candy. So I've got some Hershey Kisses out. These are left over from our little advent calendars. So I'm going to see how many I can put in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That seems like a good number. I might be able to put another one in there. 9, 10. Yeah, let's do 10. I'll eat those other ones. Okay, so after you have your gift inside, then you're going to pinch the other side closed. So I've always called this a sour cream container because they used to sell sour cream in these pinch containers like this. Do you remember that? Am I crazy? You could also call this like a little pinch pouch. But it's just kind of a cute little triangle treat pouch. So we've got it all sealed up. The tear and tape is going to hold it nicely. And so now we just need a little tag. So I'm going to use the 4 Season Floral stamp set. This stamp set coordinates really nicely with the designer paper. So you can see the poinsettia image is right there. Then we've got roses and the little daisy and this other flower. So all of these images are in that paper. Now, if you're thinking, where did that stamp set come from? Let me show you. At the beginning of the catalog season, I showed you this Make Beautiful Things brochure. This is they call it the beginner customer brochure because it is perfect for new stampers. It has different little kits and different card sets that are really good for new stampers to start with. And so this stamp set, the 4 Season Floral, is only pictured here in this beginner brochure. It's not actually pictured in the annual catalog. So you can find it in the online store under, it might be listed under beginner brochure, but it's called 4 Season Floral. And it is, where's the item number and price? Let me show you. Okay, 4 Season Floral is item number 152801. It's $14. And I just love this cute little stamp set. It's got happy birthday, thank you, for you, and all the flowers that go with our designer paper. So that's what I chose here. I'm going to use the poinsettia and stamp this in Poppy Parade. You could take some time to color that and really, you know, do lots of fancy things, but I'm just going to stamp it in Poppy Parade and then punch it out. And then I've used the 1.5 inch circle punch for this tag. And then we're going to use the black ink and stamp For You. Oh, maybe I should try that again. You can't see it very well because I cut it off. There, we'll give it a little bit more space. And now I'll stamp. There we go. There, that's better. Okay. So let's put those aside. And then I just have some really simple pieces here. So this is a piece of Poppy Parade cardstock. It's 1 inch by 3 inch. I'm just gonna do a little banner tip on that. And then I have a piece of Just Jade in color ribbon. This is the same color as the designer paper. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to put this down with some, this is the other thing I like to use tear and tape for. I often use a little piece of tear and tape to hold the ribbon down where I want it to go. Perfecto. Then this is going to go on with some dimensionals. And, oops, it's slippery. You could put this on with scissors, not scissors, geez, stapler, or you can add that with dimensionals. I'm going to use a little bit of tear and tape on the banner to stick it to the treat pouch. Now, because the Flowers for Every Season designer paper has patterns for every season, and the 4 Season Floral has stamps for every season, you could create this little treat pouch with any of the designer paper patterns for any occasion throughout the year. So this is not just a Christmas project, even though this would look really cute as a little gift to give to your neighbor or to put on your holiday dinner table. It's also something that you could make throughout the year, little party favors or just a cute little treat to give to teachers if you're seeing teachers in person. So many ways that you could use this little twist pouch, pinch pouch treat holders. Okay, that's it for today. I'm so glad that you were able to join me for this project Playback. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another project Playback.